make this super easy 20-minute steamed meat and tofu dish. It's an easy one-pot savory dish that uses staple Asian ingredients. A quarter serving of this big dish is only 170 calories and has 21 grams of protein. This recipe reminds me of Chinese steamed pork patty that my grandmother would make while growing up, except this is way healthier, lower calorie, and tastes just as amazing. It goes so well over rice and makes great leftovers. This recipe was derived from a recipe one of our weight loss clients sent to me in his search for healthy recipes, and I modified it to be even healthier and tastier. It's so quick to whip up, making it a perfect weekday or lazy dinner recipe. My husband and I love this recipe, and it's on a regular rotation. Hey Tan, I'll give this a try. The turkey, egg whites, and tofu steamed together dish.
Okay. It smells good. Not bad. Very tasty. The tofu is nice and soft, good flavor. Yeah, the meat is nice. It's like very light, not heavy when you eat meat. It's good.
Thanks.
That's good.